First year, a new year means several new laws for Florida. One could have a big impact on the way that you drive.
Starting today, drivers in Florida are required to move over, not just for first responders and tow truck drivers, but any disabled vehicle displaying hazard lights or emergency signals. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser has more on the impact to safety workers and how they hope that this will help.
We heard, bang.
Paul Colon and his family stranded at the side of the road along I-75, waiting for roadside assistance, nervous as cars and trucks go whisking by this busy New Year's travel day.
Especially the tractor trailers, when they come through. I mean, actually, you could feel our car moving.
You just sit here kind of like hoping that nothing will happen until they get here.
Clearly, not everyone is familiar yet with Florida's newly expanded Move Over law, sponsored by AAA and passed in the 2023 legislative session. Now, drivers who had long moved over for first responders and tow trucks are required to move over for any disabled vehicle.
It's those people who are in danger just like anybody else who's on the roadside. So we're very happy that this law is in effect.
The further you guys are away from us, the less chance of someone getting hit, someone getting hurt.
Road Ranger Rob Hall, who has seen his share of close calls, says it just makes sense.
Yeah, people don't realize how scary it is until you're the one on the side of the road.
AAA hopes to reverse what has been a deadly trend. Nationally, between 2016 and 2020, an average of 350 people were struck and killed outside their vehicles at the roadside each year. An average of 2 emergency responders are killed every month, according to the Auto Club. Disproportionately impacted? Tow truck drivers, who are killed at a rate of almost 43 deaths per 100,000 workers per year.
A few inches could mean the difference of life and death.
Absolutely, I'm glad, because it's going to save lives.
The new law defines a disabled vehicle as one displaying either hazard lights, emergency flares, or emergency signage. Those who violate the law could face a non-criminal moving violation with fines of up to $158. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
And AAA says people who are stranded, they have a responsibility as well. They recommend pulling over as far as possible along the shoulder to create as much distance as you can. Turn on your hazard lights so other drivers are aware of the issue. They also suggest trying to get off busy roadways at the next exit if that's possible.